Round B. Introduction. Shopee is a popular online shopping platform in Southeast Asia and Taiwan, offering users the ability to buy and sell products across various categories. It operates through a website and mobile app that connect buyers with sellers, supported by secure payment system and delivery network. Purpose of the system. The purpose of Shopee is to provide convenient, secure, and user-friendly platform for users to shop online. It aims to offer a wide range of products, competitive price, along with fast delivery services. Reason for selecting the scenario. Shopee is a widely used e-commerce platform with a strong technological backbone, providing an excellent example of modern-day data communication and networking systems. It allows for an in-depth analysis of how data transfers securely and efficiently in an online retail environment. Description of the real scenario. Shopee is an online shopping platform where users can buy and sell products through its mobile app or website. Buyers use the system to browse items, add products to their cart, make payment, and track their orders, while sellers management their product listing, update prices, and process customer orders. The primary users of the platforms are consumers, sellers, business or individuals, and system administrators who manage and maintain the platform's operations. The system transmits different types of data such as user information, product details, payment information, shipping addresses, and order history, which are securely processed to ensure safe and efficient online transaction. Data communication and network concept applied. Data communication refers to the process transmitting digital information between devices through a network. In the case of Shopee, data communication happens the case whenever user searches for products, places an order, or makes a payment. The information enters the user, sent from their device to Shopee's service and then processed before a response is returned. Shopee uses different types of networks to operate efficiently. A local area network or LAN is used for internal company operations, while wide area network or WAN connects users, sellers, and services across different countries, allowing the platform to serve customers throughout Southeast Asia and Taiwan. Networking is very important in the scenario because it ensures smooth communication between buyers, sellers, and the system. Without reliable networking, products updates, payment processing, and order tracking would not work properly, which would directly affect customer satisfaction and business performance. Computer network models. Computer network models such as OSI and TSIP or IP models play an important role in managing how data is transmitted between users and servers. In the OSI model, different layers will working together during online transactions. The physical layer handles the actual transmission through physical media like fiber optic cables. The transport layer ensures reliable and secure communication using protocols like TCP, which makes sure that data such payment information is delivered correctly and completely. The application layer allows the Shopee app or website to communicate with users through HTTP or HTTPS protocols. Similarly, in the TCP or IP model, the Internet layer manages routing and addressing of data across networks, while transport layer ensures accurate delivery and information. This
framework that allows data to travel smoothly from the user's device to Shopee servers and back, ensuring secure, fast, and reliable online transactions. Protocols and standard use. Several important network protocols are used to ensure secure and reliable communication. HTTPS is used to provide secure communication between the Shopee app or website and the servers by encrypting sensitive data such as login credentials, payment details, and personal information. TCP or Transmission Control Protocol is responsible for ensuring that data packets are delivered accurately and in the correct order, which is very important during purchases and other interactions to prevent data loss. SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is used to send email notifications such as order, confirmations, and delivery updates to users. These protocols are essential because HTTPS protects user privacy, TCP guarantees reliable data transmission, and SMTP support effective communication and user engagement within the platform. Transmission modes and transmission media. Full duplex transmission mode is used, which allows data to be sent and received at the same time. This means that when users search for products and send image to sellers or completely purchases, information is transmitted in both directions simultaneously between their devices and direction Shopee servers. In terms of transmission media, Shopee uses both guided and unguided media, guided or wired. Media as a fiber optic cables and Ethernet connections are used for fast and stable server-to-server communication with the senders. Unguided or wireless media such as Wi-Fi and mobile networks allow users to access the platform through smartphones, tablets, and computers. By combining wired and wireless transmission media, Shopee ensures high-speed, reliable, and secure data communication while providing convenient access to users anytime and anywhere. OSI model data flow analysis. The OSI model helps explain how data flows from the sender to the receiver during an online transaction. When a user initiates a purchase on their device, the request is first securely and sent the data. The information then moves to the transport layer where TCP ensures that data is divided into packets and delivered reliably without errors or loss. After that, the data passes through the network layer where IP addresses are used to route the packet across the internet to Shopee servers. Once the server receives the data, it processes the order and sends confirmation response back to user by reversing the same layered process. This step-by-step flowing ensures that transactions are secure, accurate, and efficiently delivered between the users and the platform. Network diagram. The sender is the user's device such as smartphone or computer, which initiates a request like searching a product or completing purchase. The data transmitted through the internet using secure protocols such as HTTPS and reliable transmission protocol like TCP or IP. As the data travels, it passes through the different layers of the OSI model, which manage encryption, routing, and accurate delivery of information. The internet network acts as the medium that connects to the users to Shopee servers. Once the data reaches the receiver, which Shopee servers, the system processes the request and sends a secure responsible back to the user device. This continuous flow of communication ensures smooth, fast, and secure online transactions. Conclusion. Shopee robust data communication system ensures that millions of users can securely browse, purchase, and interact with the platform in real time. The integration of various network models, protocols, and transmission media ensures optimal performance and security. Importance of data communication in the selected system. Data communication is backbone of Shopee's operations, making it essential for providing real-time updates, secure transactions, and seamless user experiences.